Are you ready to learn more about maximizing your savings? This strategy not only offers safety, but also flexibility. As you progressively transition into higher rate CDs, you can enjoy the benefits of both short-term access and long-term growth. Each time a CD matures, you gain the opportunity to reflect on market conditions, adjusting your investments accordingly. This adaptability is what sets the CD ladder apart from more traditional savings methods. With careful attention to the economy and your needs, you're positioning yourself to make informed choices that align with your financial goals. Picture this. By the end of your third year, you'll have 3 CDs maturing in a staggered fashion each year. This means fresh funds flowing in regularly while your principal investment continues to work hard for you in longer duration CDs. You're not just sitting on your money, you're actively managing it. Consider how this recurring access to cash allows you to address unexpected expenses or seize new opportunities without jeopardizing your overall financial strategy. The power of the CD ladder is evident as it empowers you to maintain your financial stability while also seeking growth. With every cycle of renewal, you're setting the stage for greater financial security. As you continue to reinvest, think of how you can diversify your financial portfolio even further. By combining the CD ladder with other investment options like stocks or mutual funds, you can enhance your risk tolerance and potential returns. The beauty of the CD ladder strategy is its compatibility. It can work hand in hand with various approaches to wealth management. Diversification not only mitigates risks associated with market volatility, but also allows you to capitalize on different sectors' performance. By monitoring your investments regularly, you ensure that every dollar is allocated in the most productive way possible, ultimately leading to a more robust financial future. Financial independence becomes a reality when you carefully strategize your savings and investments. Embracing this strategy doesn't mean you must completely forego risks. Rather, you can incorporate a balanced approach with the potential rewards of various investments. By doing so, you protect your savings against inflation while taking advantage of the unique benefits each investment offers. The CD ladder acts as your safety net, giving you confidence to explore those opportunities. Always keep your financial goals in sight as you navigate this journey to secure your future. By employing the CD ladder strategy, you are putting yourself in a position of strength regarding your financial future. This method is built on the foundation of consistent growth and adaptability, ensuring that your savings not only remain intact, but also prosper over time. Embrace this journey and watch your money flourish.
Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.